In this video, I'll guide you through how to turn off Grammarly. Whether you need to pause it temporarily or disable it entirely, I've got you covered with easy-to-follow instructions. Grammarly is an incredibly useful tool for catching those pesky grammar and spelling mistakes, but there are times when you might want it to take a break. Maybe you're working on a site where its suggestions aren't needed, or you just want to focus without the extra input. Let's dive into how you can easily turn off Grammarly, both for a single text box and across your entire browser. First, let's look at how you can turn off Grammarly inside a single text box. This is particularly helpful if you find yourself in the middle of writing something where its suggestions are more of a distraction than a help. Start by hovering your cursor over the floating Grammarly widget circle that appears inside the text box. You'll notice a small card pop up with various options. Look for the small power icon on this card. Once you've spotted it, go ahead and click on it. A couple of choices will appear. You can choose to turn off Grammarly until your next visit to the site, or opt to turn it off permanently on that particular site. This flexibility allows you to tailor your experience depending on your needs at the moment. Now, if you're looking to disable Grammarly across your entire browser, the process is just as simple. Start by right-clicking on the Grammarly icon in your browser toolbar. This icon is your gateway to managing the extension. Once you right-click, you'll see an option that says Manage Extension. If you don't see it immediately, you might need to navigate through Extensions and then select Manage Extensions. Once you're in the right place, you'll notice a primary blue switch that controls whether Grammarly is active or not. Go ahead and toggle this switch to the off position. When you do this, the icon will turn gray. This indicates that Grammarly has been completely turned off and has gone to sleep, so to speak. This setting will keep Grammarly inactive until you decide to turn it back on manually. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can easily control when and where Grammarly is active. Whether you're looking to pause it for a bit or give it a complete rest, these instructions will help you manage the extension according to your needs. Remember, you can always turn it back on whenever you're ready to have Grammarly's helpful suggestions at your fingertips again. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tutorials. Have a great day.